to say the least.
Bout.
We have again a boxing bout. This is 3 rounds, 1.5 minutes. Making the way to the blue corner, Cody Chipchase.
Barnsley City.
Brinsley.
They're from Barnsley, aren't they?
Oh yeah, I thought you meant because we're here. The Chop. Cody the Chop Chipchase.
And to face it, making his way to the red corner, Toby Pountney.
Next up we have Toby Pountney.
A lot of noise for him.
A very young
fighter
star
with
in
a
the
home
making.
advantage.
Brilliant fighter.
I'm looking like some new money.
Here he is.
Here he is, the man of the moment.
Sting on his head, God, but there's plenty of sting in those punches for sure.
Yes. Some might call it ring sting, but that's not what I would call it.
Yeah. No diddy.
No, did he?
Yeah, iron sharpens iron. He's got Naomi Powis in his corner. Again, another good fighter.
Oh, Naomi's brilliant as well.
Really put on a show at the last JackHammer. Taking home that title.
Toby Pountney facing off against Chipchase. As I said before, is he going to be chasing him around or is he going to be chipping? We're about to find out.
And we are off, round one is underway.
Very fast start for Toby. Oh, good right hand there from Toby. Chipchase replies with the left hook of his own. Some rabbit punches going off there.
They all out the scorecard.
They do indeed. Toby catches him with the left hook on the break.
Good shot. Don't stop, boys. Good lad. Parry's there, look. Parry's there. 1-2 body. 1-2.
Nice turn there from Toby.
Oh. Chipchase gets him out the corner there. Nice. Toby starting to find a home for that right hand. And again.
Oh,
nice
good
there.
right hand there from Toby.
It's been a reoccurring
And
theme
again.
early on in this fight. Toby and
Beautiful
that
work
right
there
hand
from
landing.
Toby. Money in the bank. And again, look, and again. Oh,
Yeah.
and again.
Chipping away at that head of
I
Chipchase.
can tell you now, without these head guards, different story.
Yeah. Yeah, brilliant round from Toby Pountney there.
Toby soaking up the knowledge
Yeah.
from his very renowned corner team.
Nice. Starting this round as he finished off the last
Lands
one.
another good right hand there as well. Toby keeping the centre very well. Chipchase replying with a flurry of his own.
Yeah, good work there from Toby. Commanding the ring well. The clear aggressor here.
Good right hand there again from Toby.
Oh, nice there. Jab landing flush there from Toby.
Oh, stiff right hand there from Toby.
Yeah, nice.
Toby making the ref do his job, and rightly so.
Nice. Chipchase comes back with one of his own there. Does not stop Toby though.
Oh,
Nice.
and again, that right hand's been money in the bank for Toby tonight. Oh, nice little pivot out the way. I love to see that. You can tell Toby's really been working on that right hand in the gym. Nice turn there.
Yeah, nice uppercut landing there
again.
too. Toby mixing
There's
up the
a clear
punches
skill
now.
advantage here.
Yeah, another really good round there for Toby Pountney. Chipchase finds himself chasing the fight now. He's got to come into this one and really do something big. Change it in his favour.
He needs a knockout if he wants to win this, but I can't see that.
No, Toby's looked really well polished today.
Yeah, very
Had a
polished.
really good camp.
Very well decorated fighter.
Hopefully extending his record here to 9 wins from 8.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it.
Well, there's 1.5 minutes separating that from being a reality for him. And to follow that, there's also 1.5 minutes separating the break.
Third and final round. Oh, heavy shots
Yeah,
there
nice.
from Chipchase though.
Nice. I'd like to have seen that earlier on in the fight.
Oh yeah, definitely. Toby with a clear strength advantage here. He's really been putting the strength and conditioning, hasn't he?
And again, hands up, Cody, 3 shots.
This is Cody Chipchase versus Toby Pountney. This is the
We've got Tony versus Tony. Tony Bladen versus Tony Chipchase.
Nice. Perfect, Cody. Just keep going. Perfect.
Oh, good right hand there from Toby.
Yeah, he's really dominating this fight.
Yeah, very strong.
He's having it all his way. He's
For
controlling
50
the tempo.
for 53 kilograms.
He's landing his
There's
shots.
some pop on them.
He puts the killer in kilograms.
I like that. I might have to steal that.
Get your hands up, Cody. Do it again. Your turn.
Neither men look tired either. I reckon they could do another 2 rounds.
I'd quite like to see it.
Oh, good left hook there from Toby.
Yeah. Toby just unloading now. Barrage of punches coming Chipchase's way. Chipchase says, I've got some back for you and all, but Toby just keeps going. Yeah, beautiful performance from Toby Pountney.
Well done to both
What a
young men
fight.
there.
Both fighters showing good heart, but
Oh yes, definitely.
I know who I'd be scoring it.
This is a 3-round, 1.5 minute bout.
Looking like a UD for me.
Oh yeah, definitely a unanimous.
Yeah, the hard work pays off. Again, another good fight. Another good fighter coming from Undisputed Fight Academy. Not sure there's going to be too much difficulty in scoring this one.
No, if I was a judge, these are the type of fights you want.
Yeah.
That was a clear victory for Toby Pountney.
Exactly. That or a stoppage.
Talking of stoppages, we've had a fair few tonight.
Yeah, we have.
Numerous back-to-back first-round finishes.
Yeah, I think it was 6 in a row.
It was
If we-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
6 in a row. Yeah, you're right.
Your unanimous decision. Adding a W to the record, Toby Pountney.
Yeah, well done to Toby.
Well done, Toby Pountney.
Brilliant performance. Really talented young man. Definitely got a long future ahead of him in this sport.